Hi, today we're going to be multiplying fractions. I've got Blair here to help me, who is a fifth grader. Hi, Blair.
Hi.
All right. The first step in multiplying fractions, you guys are going to love this, it is so easy, is just to multiply across. That's all we do. So I'm going to put my fraction thing right over here, and Blair's going to help me multiply across. What are we going to multiply first, Blair?
The top.
All right, so what numbers are we multiplying?
1 times 2.
1 times 2. What's 1 times 2?
2.
2. Super easy. Let's go do the bottom now. Blair, what are we multiplying?
3 times 5.
Is
15.
sweet. Well done. Now, I'm looking at 2/15, even though this 2 kind of looks like a Z. Shame on Miss Chavalis. I'm going to make it look more like a 2. I have to think of, is there a number that I can divide 2 and 15 by? The only number I can divide 2 by is by itself, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, but I can't divide 2 into 15. So the only number that goes into both of these is 1, and that means I'm 1 and done, so I can't reduce this or make it smaller. So our final answer is 2/15. Even though it's kind of ugly, I'm going to make it look really pretty. So well done, Blair.
Yay.
Yay! 2/15 is our answer. All right, let's go to the second problem. We're going to do the same thing where we're going to multiply across to solve multiplying fractions problems. All right. In 2 7s times 1/3, what are we going to multiply first?
2 times 1. Like
That's
the
right.
other one, but
That's right. 2 times 1 is
2.
Sweet. And then we're going to multiply the denominators, the bottom. So it's going to be?
It's going to be 7 times 3.
7 times 3 is?
21.
21. Awesome. Let me think. Can I count by a number and get to both 2 and 21? If I count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Nope. I can't count by 2s. And then the only other number that 2 I can count by to get to 2 is 1. So I'm 1 and done. This is our final answer. Thank you so much for joining us to learn about multiplying fractions. Thanks, Blair. You did an amazing job. Woohoo!
You.
All right, and our last problem, let's see if you can remember what to do. We need to multiply what first? The top. That is right. So here we've got 3 times 4 equals
12.
Perfect. And now we multiply the
Bottom.
6 times 4 is
24.
Now, let's take a look at this problem. Can I count by a number and get to 12 and 24?
Yes.
Ooh, what number can we count by?
12.
Oh, nice. So I'm going to divide both sides by 12 to reduce this fraction. Reduce just means to shrink and make as small as it can go. We want to think of the biggest number that we can divide both sides by. Got to be the same number. So it's the same number. So that we can reduce this to lowest terms is how you say it, reducing it to lowest terms. So we've got 12 divided by 12 is
1.
And then 24 divided by 12 is
2.
So this is 1/2. Now, I can't count by any other number to get to 1. The only number I can count by to get to 1 is 1. And I can count by 1s and get to 2. And so since I got to the number 1, we are 1 and done. So our answer, the final answer is 1/2. Woohoo! Great job, Blair. We are all done.